Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So in previous video we removed that extra table. So this is the end result. We are having three tables and some auto-generated queries by Hibernate. Okay, it's done. So in this video we have to fix the table name and plus column names. So if you notice, it's capital U user ID and then it has a small p underscore. So at least let's put them in a sync. So I'll just call that user ID without underscore, and here I'll call this product ID without underscore, and of course renaming this table as well. So we will use the same technique we have used in one to many. So we are going back to the main table. Here use this at join table, then give it a name, and then give your name whatever you want to call the third table, which has references of previous tables. So, and tb. Okay, it's done. So let's do this one by one. So yeah, that's only change. Just use an annotation, give the name for the third table, and run the code. So if execute, so create table, there it is, user product table. So yeah, our table name is changed. So let's have a quick look on the names only. So user table, product table, and there it is, user product table. Now we have to fix okay, this looks good, users ID and product ID. Let's call this user ID and product ID, not just users. So user ID without underscore and product ID without underscore. Okay, so same thing happens here, but yeah, we need to do this again. So close all and product, dropping again. So we get everything from the scratch. Okay, so we are done with the renaming of table name. Going back to primary table, and we have two columns, two more attributes here. One is this join columns, then at join column, then give the name, and just call this current table is user. So user ID, always our current table goes first, and then comma inverse join columns. Let's go next line, and here again we will use at join column, then name, then small p, not capitals, product ID, and done. Yep, that's the only thing you have to do. Just add one line and it will change your table name plus the column names. So going back, run as application. So Hibernate will again then auto generate the table with our custom changes. So product user product table, column name is user ID and product ID. Yep, that's what we want. Let's cross check in database, refresh all. So user table, product table, and user product table. So yes, our changes are there. So we have successfully customized this whole thing in many to many mapping. So this is the end of many to many mapping. So I hope this topic is clear to you guys. If still there's a doubt or question, feel free to drop your questions on comment section. I'll definitely reply there. And if you want some more content or any other topic, please suggest that as well. I'll definitely create some videos on that. So we are done with this series as well. In next series we will pick some more topics of Hibernate. So till then, stay tuned guys. Let's meet in next video or series. Bye bye.